Hey you guys, welcome to another scam email video here. This one was actually moved into my junk folder, as you see. It will be deleted after 1 day. Okay, so that's why I decided to put the video, even though my voice is kind of cracking. I got cold and stuff. So the subject has action required. It has red flag on it. Important information coming from Mailbox Network. Shergazuz@reagan.com. This is basically like and it's sent to this wannabe AT&T mail.com. This is a fake email pertaining to AT&T. If you Google it, the first result will be this identity fake AT&T emails. So yeah, it's a fake email, okay. And then the other one is coming from Deutschland, which is Germany. No reply at info.myhammer.de, okay. So here's what the email says. Dear user, starting in 24 hours, email that has email that has not been confirmed for the new privacy security upgrade will be closed. Kindly upgrade your Microsoft account and accept our terms of service to avoid account shutdown. Upgrade now, thank you. So that's the link. You can click on it and see where it takes you, but I'm not gonna do that. Well, I'll show you like bits and pieces. Let me enable my Wi-Fi. And okay, let's click on upgrade now. So it takes you to Microsoft here. Like click here as part of it has like a Google Doc link, but it'll take you somewhere else, like somewhere malicious. Don't click on this one. I'm just going to close my this tab here, but you see what they're saying, right? As part of our effort to improve your experience, blah blah blah. It's basically my previous email, the previous video that I posted. So you guys can take a look at that as well and obtain more information. But yeah, close out of here and delete this email. It's been sitting on my inbox for a while, my junk folder, but it's gonna be deleted after a day. Okay. So here's one of the other emails. Be aware of it. Do not click on them. Like I clicked on it just to show you guys. You guys just press delete up top. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Okay. Bye.